Greg, the mastermind behind Campedia.
Hey guys.
Thought we'd catch up. Mate, you and I have known each other for a long time.
We have, very long time.
You've just come off the back of one of the most impressive weekends camping I've been at.
Thanks, mate.
With the Campedia camp out. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but 10 years you started the app?
Yeah, so 10 years ago, I guess probably more the concept started in my head of what I wanted to try and achieve.
Yeah.
And it's been a building process from that point on, and expanded on what I had ever envisaged it happening.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've just held our first camp out this weekend, which is amazing for you guys to come along.
What'd you end up with, 140 people?
Yeah, it was a litmus test. I wanted to see, would people come to a camp out? Are they going to get value in us having some workshops and you know, things around either content creating or how to do photography and things like that. We just want to share, because we've been on the road full-time 3 years. And then I put it out there to our audience and that, and all of a sudden the bookings just kept coming in. We ended up with over 70 bookings, and I think it was around 150 people.
It's incredible.
And every single person has been amazing. Met so many new people, lifelong friends, I reckon, straight away. And because we've been doing the YouTube thing as well, we've always just been behind the camera. And I can tell you now, stand up in front of a crowd, it's a lot easier just looking down the barrel of a camera, right? Because there's no one staring back at you.
Yeah.
The object is to just provide, our ethos is adventure made simple. We just want to be easy for people to be able to find new locations, find campgrounds, share it with their friends from the platform, recommend places, being able to book as well as not just find it, then have to find the location, then try and book direct. They can come and book directly through ours. So we're pushing hard to get more and more businesses on board. So we're up over 50 parks across Australia now. And again, we're not a big corporate business.
No.
It's the wife and I.
But look at the following you've got. I mean, I was talking to a few people yesterday about Campedia when we were talking about the rigs and stuff. And they all raved about, the booking and how to follow trips and, that whole itinerary there. But one of the other things that one of the guys said in one of the Rams with a big caravan like yours, he goes, what I'm thinking of doing is putting a GoPro on the front of the car and maybe one on the back of the caravan. He said, because I want to be able to show people that we can get into these tight tracks. Yep. And we can put that link of the video onto Campedia, so when other big truck caravan rigs want to say, could we get down into this real tight caravan part? He's already done it. 100%,
and that's part of something I've done a little bit different as well, is that I want to celebrate every single other Instagrammer, or sorry, it's just a spider crawling off me. Everyone else that's out there with a traveling page or something like that, that is an advocate for Campedia. They can actually add their YouTube videos, YouTube shorts and TikTok videos that they're doing on campgrounds to our platform. Yeah. So we've just cracked over 1,000 videos and been added to the platform now. And it's all about that, is what does this campground look like? And it's not just about pictures. People can go and watch their videos, and then those people that are creating that content, they get an extra view, and then those people go, we like what these guys are doing, and then they get an extra follow. And it's all about collaboration and sharing with everyone.
That's been the big theme that I've taken from this weekend, is collaboration, and a rising tide raises all ships. Like everybody is doing this for everybody, and you've built a community of like-minded people who just want to get out there and explore and enjoy life.
100%. And it's amazing, like we pulled up here Friday late in the afternoon. Straight away, the guys next to us, never met them, straight away, hey guys, we've got a fire on, get yourself set up, come sit around the fire and take a breath. And then Brett next door got the push bike off for my son because I was off talking to people, and everyone just helps everyone out.
It's really good.
It's just epic.
So where do you see Campedia going from here? Like, where, if you could look down the crystal vase in 5 years' time, what does it look like?
Look, for me, I want to be the app of choice that people look and use because of that community. The community is key, right? We're still building stuff out. We've got new ideas for the app. I know there's still some things that aren't perfect on the app, right? But that's technology. Our app has a lot of sophistication, a lot of things in behind it. There's a lot of work that goes with it. So look, 5 years time, if I want to still be doing events like this, getting out, meeting people, celebrating people's travels and journeys, we still want to keep traveling. We've got a daughter that she was 13 when we hit the road. She's 16, she's 17 at the end of the year. She's now working full time to save up for her troopy, and she just wants to hit the road and go traveling now as well. So we've put the bug in them as well.
You have, haven't you?
You know, even Donna, she's stayed in the same job, you know, most of her life and never really wanted to get out of the comfort of home. And when I first told her I want to jump in the caravan and go traveling, she said, I prefer to shoot myself in the head, you know. But now she's got the nickname Dora Explorer.
Does she?
Yeah, because she's just on the out exploring water holes and jumping around and doing stuff like that. And she's always the last one to get off the tree swing and the last one to get out of the rock pool. So the whole family love it. I think for us, it's made our family unit tighter.
Yeah, nice.
As well, because we've done and experienced so much together. Like, don't get me wrong, it's hard work. You know, it looks all sunshines and rainbows, but look, when it's good, it's great. But when things go wrong, we call that the pressure cooker.
Yeah, right.
You know, when it goes bad fast.
You can't go anywhere.
No.
There's only one door to slam too.
There is, and it gets a workout. I won't lie, it gets a workout.
So as far as like if somebody's watching this and wants to jump on Campedia, what's the easiest way to find? Is it the app or the website?
Well, look, you can jump on the website, and then from the website we've got links through to the app. When you create an account, if whatever you add on your app will come across the website. So depending on what platform you log into, it'll work. So the iOS, Apple Play Store, Google Play Store, and the website as well. And it's a free app, mate. We want to keep it free for the users as well.
And you want to get people out there using the app to give you content to make it better for everybody.
Well, it's that community, right? So if we haven't got a campground, people are adding campgrounds to share with other people that are there, right? They're adding their photos. And look, there's some of the things that, compared to other apps that we specialize in, we vet and check every location before it goes live. Right. When people add photos, they don't immediately go live. And look, people add amazing photos, but they're not photos that are useful. They're great for the families and they look nice, you know. Yeah. They're nice, you know, camp oven fire or a damper that someone's made, or their dog sitting on the mat, which is all nice, but it doesn't help the other users. We want to see the size of the sites. Go and take a photo of the amenities. Go and take a photo of the toilet, the dump point, the tap, drinking water tap. Those things that people go, oh, there is drinking water there. Yep, it's on the features, but I can see a photo where the tap is. I can see where the photo of the dump point is, and everything is there, and they can see it. So it's good, useful information.
Yeah, nice.
So it's just been a whirlwind. As I said, we've been on the road 3 years. The first 2 years were in my homemade caravan.
You did a good job building that, though, to be fair to you.
Mate, I did. Look, if you say it really fast, it sounds simple. Because there was plenty of times where I said, I don't want to play this game anymore halfway through the build. But it was amazing. It took us right across the country. But again, it's just had to start somewhere. You know, we're not a big corporate business. We're just a couple that are getting into it.
Well done, Matt. Well, look, anybody who's watching this, jump onto campedia.com.au.
Yep.
And we'll see you out there somewhere in the tracks.
Happy days, guys. And yeah, we do YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So we're across all those platforms, and anything we can help with, we're there to help.
Brilliant. Well done, Matt. That's
Thank you. Cheers, guys.